How are you all traders? I hope everyone good. I am also good. I came back again with the new video. Let's see what happened. I will take some trade. Then I chose some pairs for my trade. Okay. I need to go to opportunity for 1 minute trade because I need to win every trade. That's why I need a good opportunity. I have to wait for a good opportunity. Okay. Then I will place my trade. I have a good opportunity here, but I need a good entry point. That's why I'm wait. Okay, already kettle gone more down. Okay, I have to wait for a good opportunity. Okay, good entry point because I need to win every trade. Okay, so let's see what happened. I need a good opportunity. I need a good entry point also. Okay, already I placed my trade here. No doubt here. I have a confidence it should be close below my entry point. Okay, let's see what happened. Okay, market should be close below my entry point. I have a confidence, and this candle will be engulfing candle pattern. Okay, this candle will be bearish, and uh, this here will be in engulfing pattern. Okay, that's why I place my trade. Let's see what happened. I have a confidence it should be close below my entry point. Okay, let's see what happened. Okay, at the last second I win this trade. Okay, let's see next opportunity. Okay, I need to win every trade. I need a good opportunity and good entry point. Okay. Okay, I got opportunity. I have another opportunity here. Let's see what happen. I will place my trade here. Okay. Okay, no doubt about here. I think market will be close below my entry point because here is a level. Okay, here is a level, and this is a reversal point. Okay, so should be close below my entry point, and I need to bearish candle from at this area. Okay, that's why I place my here. Okay, no problem. I win this also. If you are new in my channel, please subscribe my channel and like, share, also comment. Okay, and goodbye for today. Okay, I will come again with a new video.